Hello everyone, welcome to Nexup Academy. So in this video we are going to learn how to set up a WordPress website in GoDaddy. So the first step of installing WordPress is that you have to go to the cPanel, and after going to the cPanel go in the web application sections. Okay, so in this section you can see there is a WordPress option. Okay, so just click on this. After clicking on the WordPress, you can see that this page is being loaded. Okay, so in this page you'll see a install this application button, so you just have to click on this. So after clicking on the button, this page will be loaded, and in this page you can see there is a location option. Okay, so this is basically the location where you want to install the WordPress. We are installing the WordPress in our primary domain, so we do not have to add any directory. So our WordPress will be installed in www.nextupacademy.co.in. Okay, so in the next option you will see version. You do not have to change anything here. Okay, in the setting option you have to create a username and password for the WordPress login. Okay, to access the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so we will just create a username. I'll suggest you to use the Gmail, so it will be easier for you to remember it. And now we just have to set a password. Okay, so you can see my password is fair. Okay, so I can go ahead with this. You can see your password by clicking in this button, and the third option is administrator email. So I'll just type in the business email I've just created in our last video. Okay, so the next option is website title and website tagline. This part I will change once the WordPress is installed. Okay, you do not have to change anything. I will just click on the install section. As you can see, the process of installation is being started. Okay, now you can see our WordPress website is installed. You can check the website by clicking on this link. You can see that our website is ready. Okay, so the next thing is that we have to go to the link from where we can access the WordPress dashboard, so that we can make changes in our WordPress website. Okay, so for that you just have to click on this link, or you just type in your domain name and /nwp dash admin. Okay, you can see that WordPress has already given us a account. Okay, from where we can start the process of installing the website. Okay, click on the start widget. Okay, so in this section you can see that what type of website do we want. So we are basically building an e-commerce website, so we'll click on online store, and it will ask for the industry, so we'll click on the business title. So I'll just give e-commerce website, and tagline my first website. Okay, this is basically title and tagline for my website. So store location, it is already set as Assam. Currency, they are asking for a currency which the website will set as default, and shipping and taxes. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just click on the I will ship physical goods to customer. Okay, so in this section the product units, either I want to sell products in kg, grams, pounds, there are multiple options. I'll just click on the kg option, and I'll just click on the continue button. So next thing is that they are asking me for my contact details or social media profile to my website. Okay, if I want to add any contact details or social media to my website, so that this information is directly visible to our users. Okay, so I'll do it later. Once all this is set up, I'll just change the contact details social media profile later on, okay, in the later section. I'll just click on the continue option. Okay, right now they are providing me 3 themes. Okay, so basically I have to select any one of these theme, but I can change the theme later on. Okay, so I'll just go with storefront for now. Okay, the theme can be changed later on also. Our website will look something like this. My site title is this, my tagline is this. Okay, my first e-commerce site. Okay, I'm just going to select the theme, and my theme will install in 30 seconds. Okay, it might take some time, so you just have to be patient for some time. Okay, do not refresh the page in between the process. Now you can see that our theme has been set up. So right now what we have to do is just have to go and check if everything is working fine or not. Okay, so I'll just click on my domain name nextupacademy.co.in, and you can see that our website is set up. Okay, this is the default theme of WordPress. Okay, they have just provided us the default theme. We will change the theme in our next video.
And finally, don't forget to subscribe to Nextop Academy channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever the new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.